Hi everyone, welcome to the Xoro Inventory Adjustment Center guide. We're going to quickly walk through how to manage your adjustments, how to run reports, and some of the different views that you have available. So I'm at the Inventory Adjustment Center. That can be pulled up simply by going to Inventory Adjustment Center. So every time you create an adjustment, it actually gets stored as a record here in the Adjustment Center. So I have all the adjustments listed here. You can do your usual reporting that you can in other centers. You can export, you can pull up some advanced searching, you can search the SKUs that you made adjustments by. Simply go here and then just put an item number. You can put in the SKU here and then pull up all the adjustments that you made per SKU. In addition, I have a couple different views here as well. So right now, every row represents one adjustment that was made. If you make adjustments and you adjust different locations per SKU, you can actually pull the adjustment detail view, and this will actually pull all the adjustments that were made per location for all the SKUs. So this gives you a detail level view of all the adjustments that were made. So that basically just is a quick little guide for how to manage your adjustments. And a quick little note that once an adjustment's made, it's permanent. So you want to make sure that you're doing adjustments correctly when you're making them.